Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, update your Xbox, and set up the mobile hotspot on your phone. Once done, confirm the hotspot SSID and password, write them down. Make sure cellular data is active and that your phone's hotspot is discoverable. Also, disable any VPN on the phone because that can block Xbox services. Now, move to the Xbox network menu and get ready to search for the hotspot name. This begins the actual connection steps. On your Xbox, go to Settings, then General, then Network Settings. You will find Wireless Network there. Select your phone's SSID from the list and enter the hotspot password carefully. Make sure caps and symbols match. Once accepted, the console will attempt to obtain an IP address. This is normal. After connection, run the network test on Xbox to verify NAT type and latency. If NAT is strict, note that some online features may be limited. Keep troubleshooting steps in mind. Finish by optimizing the connection. Disable background apps and downloads on the phone so your Xbox gets most bandwidth. If the Xbox shows no internet, toggle the phone's hotspot off and on, then reboot the Xbox. That resolves many issues. Make sure carrier tethering is allowed and check your data cap. If problems persist, clear the Xbox alternate MAC address in network settings and reconnect. That forces a fresh DHCP lease and often fixes stubborn IP conflicts or authentication failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.